Valentina Morales Rios. My grade is 65. Okay, today I'm going to show you my story, The Dreams, Goosebumps. Very good. Hi, my name is Zach. I moved to the Madison some weeks ago. Hi, I am Hannah. I live in Madison. I met Hannah. She is beautiful and amazing. We went together to the Ferris wheel. When we come back to Hannah's home, when you found some books on the floor, they were open. Oh no, it's Slappy. Who is it? No. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Slappy. Who are you? Okay. I am not happy. I have been in close with your friends for a long time. No, Slappy, please, narrator. Truly, and all them were in a library. Where are the dreams in a lappy or a maze? Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm from Magic Forest. I'll help you. Hello, I am Vegetal Mr. Stein's favorite plant. Hi, my name is Annie, the Magican, and I will help you. Hi, Daddy. I didn't know the final pies. No, Slappy. Now, honey. Okay, Slappy, you return to the book world forever with you aliens. So I say so. They all helping to the look happy and all the monster in books. Hint. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.